Hello, I'm Paul McKeon, one of the chefs and owners here at Team Building with Taste. And I'm in our culinary event space here in North Atlanta at the corner of I-285 and Peachtree Road. Actually now, I'm in our event room, which is quite large. It's optimized for 80 people. And when things get back to normal, that's what we'll have in here, 80 people. But in the meantime, during COVID-19, we're not going to take groups of any larger than 25. And we've got, if you look around, appropriate social distancing for that purpose. If you look around, we also have a wonderful AV system, big screen televisions, built-in sound system, anything to make your social occasion, your corporate event, your neighborhood party a great time. I'm going to now walk through our Team Building Wall of Fame, which is chock full of quotes and insights from people who have experienced our brand of culinary collaboration. Follow me as I walk through the wall into the kitchen. Hi, here I am in our kitchen. It's our culinary training center and classroom, and it's where we have fun with our guests, but we do it safely. We're very proud of the fact that we have a tremendous amount of great cooking equipment in here that you might not have at home. We've got convection ovens, deep fryers, high temperature broilers, all sorts of things that you can play with and really enjoy yourself. It's not residential equipment. If you look around, we've got commercial food processors, we've got commercial mixers, we've got all sorts of utensils, great things that you can really experience. Spices, knives, anything you like. It's a great place to have fun with food and to do it safely. But to talk about safety, let me bring on an expert. I'd like to introduce to you now Chef Susan Fornick.
Hey, Chef Paul, how you doing?
Good, Susan, how are you?
Fantastic. You know what I'm ready to do? I'm ready to talk about safety.
Let's do it.
Okay. Welcome. When you first come into Team Building with Taste, you're going to be greeted at this table right here by one of our employees. Thermometer. We're going to take your temperature. Ask you to sanitize your hands. We have masks. We have gloves for your convenience if you feel more comfortable wearing one. All right, welcome to the kitchen. All right, let's talk safety really quick. So on top of your table, when you come in, you will see aprons and towels bagged up for you, all nice and clean and ready to go. Underneath your table, you're gonna notice that there's 2 red buckets underneath there. Those contain sanitizer solution. You're also gonna see a tray wrapped in plastic. Those are your cooking utensils. And then gloves, of course. And then we're gonna ask you to wash your hands. And to do that, I'm gonna bring in one of my employees, very safe. Come on in, Kat. Okay, so I'm standing in front of our beautiful pantry right here. So this is all stocked full of stuff. Your chef will assist you in pulling things out of here so that we can stay safe. All sorts of fun things, fresh herbs, tomatoes, avocados, spicy peppers, bacon, butter and cream. Bacon? Did someone say bacon? We have bacon. Let's cook. So this is our buffet line. When it's time to eat, the chefs will bring your food out for you. For your safety, they will also serve you. Hey, Paul, so how'd I do?
You did great. Thank you very much, Susan. We appreciate it. You did a great job on safety. We have a good track record on safety, don't we?
We do. We have a very good track record.
In fact, I believe we have 100% on our last health inspection, which is fantastic. And we've written a culinary safety manifesto. It's on our website. Please check it out. And please go to our website and schedule your next event here with us at Team Building with Taste.